We're at Longbridge, the former Austin Rover factory. I've been meaning to come and have a look at this place for ages. I've just found myself in Birmingham and that gate's open, so I'm going to see if I can get some pictures through that gate before they shut it. There's a load of old Rovers and things abandoned here. Let's just see if I can get some pictures through there before they close the gate. But yeah, there's the old factory. There's not a lot left of it. MG Motor Group, now it used to be Austin Rover. I wanted to come here when they first shut the place down and have a look around, see if I could do a bit of urban exploring. I don't know if you're watching this, Matt, but this lens is so super wide, it's unbelievable. The things it's capturing is excellent. Now we all love one of these signs, don't we? Offenders will be clamped, or maybe clamped. Now the place used to stretch right far back. That's all that's left now, is that one building there with all them seagulls flying around it. But at one point this was where the old Rover 75s were made and all them kind of stuff. I think actually there's still some that parked up through this fence, the other side of this fence, that you can see. Conference centre, it's all closed now. I'd love to have a look round. Well locked up, but yeah, this used to be the Rover factory, or it was Austin Rover. Well, it was Morris, I think, at first, unless I'm much mistaken. See what we got in here. There's an old Rover. Is that a Rover 75 there? Do you believe it is? Some old Rovers down there. There's a Honda in there. A few MGs. Something undercover there. They're all just sat outside, rotting. I don't know if there's any security on site. Yeah, there's not as I think they are all Rovers and MGs in there. It's been good to see it in its heyday. Yes. Well, if I can get any closer to them cars, I'll put the camera back on. But for now, save me memory, save me battery. That's it from Longbridge. Right, we're in. Probably in full view of all the security cameras. We're in. Is that filming? Yes. All I want to do is get a closer look at these cars here. There really is nobody here. Just, that's all I want to do. Have a closer look at these. What have we got here then? There's an electric one there. I don't know if these are brand new or I mean, heck, half of that's missing, look. Presume these are brand new. That's been sat there for a while. Blimey. That's an old Rover 75. I always fancied one of these. Now then, before I get caught, I want to see what's underneath that cover. It's a BMW, that. Look at the state of that one. And even if I do get caught, it's only a civil trespass, isn't it? That looks like an Audi underneath that thingy there. It is, it's an Audi, that. I think, yeah, it's definitely an Audi, isn't it? See what it says on the wheels. Yeah. Without a doubt that's an Audi. Well, in my opinion it's an Audi, unless it's some MG that I don't know of. Anyway, what else we got? Look at this one here. It's either in a part state of build or a state of dismantlement. MG. Looks like it's never been on the road, given how clean it is under there. There's another one. Another one that's brand new. Left-hand drive. Something else undercover there, look. Old Escort. What's that? What's that? Is that a Rover? Looks like it's a Rover. It is. Is that a Rover? Or is it some kind of concept car? Or some kind of foreign, you know, made for the foreign market? That old Escort convertible. Well, it's not undercover, it's like polystyrene. Huh. That must be like the design phase then. Old MGB. Seen these before either. An MG6 MG6, I've never heard of them. Wow, there's another one. Full of boxes and wiring looms and stuff. Blimey neck. I'm not going to try the doors. Look at this one, all multicoloured. That one there, partly built. Neck. What a waste. What a complete waste, isn't it? Another one with that plate on it, an MG. Oh no, that's not that. It's a Mazda RX-7. That's it. MG ZS EV. That must be one of the early electric vehicles, that one. Just left here. Just left to rot. Such a shame. That's the Rover 75. That's what was made here. They used to make these here, I know that for a fact. Right, I've had to finish this video on my phone because battery went flat on the GoPro. There's a closer look at the let me get this phone out of its case. Closer look at the old conference centre. There really is nobody here. One of the security huts. Might as well have a quick look at the conference centre then while we're here. Not doing any harm. Well, you can't get to it. As long as no big dog comes running out at me. Not bothered about humans. Oh, there's some more workshops over there, look. And some more cars in there. What does that say over there? College, something. There's definitely nobody here. Not yet, anyway. Unless security have just gone for the dinner. But that's what's left of the factory. Conference centre, and it just gives you an idea if you look down there how big and vast the site used to be. As long as there's no guard dogs running around. It's all good. Yeah, so the second half of this video is on me on my phone. There's quite a bit left down here, look. Thought someone was talking, then it was a bird. Coach drop-off point. I'm really pushing it now. The seagulls are a bit lost, a bit far away from the sea, aren't they? Oh wow. There is a fair bit left. Look at that. A couple of trailers over there. Oh, there's quite a bit of it left, look. Probably caught on camera now. It's good to be able to document this stuff. Still got power to it, still got the red lights on the loading bays. I wonder if there's any cars in there. Plenty of trailers. Wow. That's it. I better get going. I've got an appointment at 5 o'clock. I don't want to be arrested and locked up. There's a load more cars over there. I'll look through this window and then make my way back out. So this is the parts distribution centre. I can hear an alarm going off. Well, they have got Mazda boxes in there. Anyway, that was a bit of an interesting few minutes, wasn't it? Watch me get caught now on the way out. I'm keeping this camera rolling until I'm well clear of this place. But yeah, I don't know if them vehicles over there are anything to do with it, but there's plenty of vehicles left. Apologies if there's any wind noise. I presume it's in the process of being demolished. I mean, there's probably so much more to see than what I'm showing you, but I just ain't got the time. I'm holding the camera that way. Let's try and get rid of the windows. I'm not sure it's working. Definitely won't be working here. One last look down there. Now, I won't film the way in and way out, but I will keep the camera rolling for my own protection, so to speak. But yeah, interesting, especially interesting to see that polystyrene type of vehicle. I guess that's how they kind of mould them and shape them and stuff. But there's a conference centre. Anyway, that's where security should be, stopping trespassers like me. That's got to find a way out now. Oh, there's another car there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Cheers.